Want to work from home but have zero remote experience? Don't worry, getting that first remote gig is easier than you think. The remote revolution is here, and companies are looking for skills, not just office history. Today, we're breaking down the roadmap to your first remote role. Step 1. Identify your transferable skills. Communication, time management, and tech literacy are the holy trinity of remote work. Show them you can handle the tools. Mastery of Slack, Zoom, and project management apps like Trello or Notion is non-negotiable. No experience? Build your own. Create a portfolio that showcases what you can do right now. Volunteer, take a course, or do a mock project. Your portfolio is your proof of concept. It tells recruiters that even without a boss, you can deliver high-quality results. Next, where to look. Forget the general job boards. Focus on remote-first platforms like Upwork and Fiverr for freelance starts. Platforms like We Work Remotely and Remote OK are goldmines for entry-level positions that value results over resumes. Don't ignore the hidden job market. Networking on LinkedIn is how 70% of remote roles are actually filled. Optimize your profile for remote keywords. Connect with remote recruiters and join communities in your target industry. When you land that interview, treat it like the job. Test your tech, check your lighting, and be ready to prove your remote readiness. It's a numbers game. Stay persistent, keep refining your approach, and don't let a no stop you from your goal. To recap, lock in those transferable skills, build your proof, target the right platforms, and network like a pro. Remote work isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle. You've got the roadmap, now go out there and claim your first remote role. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Solvanta Media for more tips on winning in the digital economy. See you in the next one.